They get ready to witness the terrifying sight of wood being stripped as easily as peeling a banana, the ear-piercing sound of branches shattering. This video will take the timber harvesting experience to a whole new level. Don't miss it. Watch as the mighty Swietenia mahogany meets its match with the steel MS-651 and MS-382 chainsaws. With 91 seek of power from the MS-651 and the reliable 7.2 TMS-382, these saws make quick work of this towering red giant. Brace yourself for the most dangerous logging yet massive trembesite trees are about to meet their match. Each cut is a nerve-wracking dance of precision and power. Will these giants fall exactly where they're supposed to? Only one way to find out. Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, just because of a small mistake by the tree cutter, the palm tree fell in the wrong place. Hope everything is okay. The Baker Model 3650E is a powerhouse of a bandsaw mill, built for serious cutting precision. With its rugged design and top-notch efficiency, it handles large logs with ease. Whether you're slicing through hardwood or softwood, this machine makes quick work of any task. Wondering how this chipper devours entire trees with such ease? Don't worry, the Vermeer WOOK 2300 is a beast in the world of wood chippers. Equipped with a powerful engine and capable of processing up to 23-inch logs, this machine makes mulch like it's child's play. A single misstep can transform a simple task into a perilous adventure. In tree removal, the contrast between ground-level methods and the finesse of technical climbing is striking. Dead trees, with their concealed vulnerabilities, present distinct challenges. How do experts navigate these risks safely? This beast can maneuver through the trees like a ballet dancer. Let's meet the Barco 240 billion, a powerhouse in the world of logging. So this machine is like the Swiss Army knife of the forest, boasting a robust 240 horsepower engine that effortlessly tackles even the toughest tasks. Meet the peeler shell profile. By Posh Leibniz, a wood wizard that transforms logs into perfectly peeled beauties. With high precision and an impressive output, this machine makes debarking look like a breeze. Curious about the magic behind this peeling pro's flawless performance? Equipped with a powerful engine and robust chassis, the Lect 130 idle maneuvers effortlessly through challenging terrains. Curious how this machine handles heavy loads while ensuring stability? Let's explore its capabilities. The Meber Vets 1400 is like the superhero of sawmills, slicing through massive logs with ease. Built for heavy-duty action, this beast offers precise cuts while handling even the thickest wood. What's the secret behind its powerful performance and cutting accuracy? The Drumet Wood 240M is a wood-splitting powerhouse, built to handle the toughest with precision and brute force. This machine's rugged design and superior splitting mechanism make light work of even the densest wood. Ready to see this beast in action? This beast boasts a hefty 35-ton splitting force, effortlessly turning even the gnarliest logs into manageable pieces. With its tandem axle design, it glides over rough terrain like a pro, ensuring you can tackle your firewood needs without a hitch. Step right up to the peeling line, a marvel of engineering that turns raw logs into perfectly peeled veneer. So this ingenious setup works its magic with precision, stripping away bark and transforming rough wood into smooth, usable surfaces. Cutting sawmills transform raw timber into usable planks with precision. Equipped with powerful saw blades that rotate at high speeds, they tackle tough hardwoods efficiently, maximizing yield and minimizing waste. That's so awesome. This powerhouse combines two blades for maximum efficiency, ensuring clean cuts while doubling your productivity. Whether you're crafting fine furniture or processing lumber, this saw's versatility shines.